Good afternoon to the Board of Directors. Today, me and my colleagues, Renee and Evan, are representing the B.M.W Group to present to you one of the best cars to even to manufacture. For our driving force of our groups, which is technical capacity, which consists of engineer and R&D facilities, and so each car has been tested to give added assurance to person behind the wheel and to the passenger in the car. We also offer premium financial and mobility service which help your financing journey to your dream BMW a smooth and simple process. Lastly, this is our global scale network, which is more than 140 countries, and we also provide the best of the best service to our customer at all times. So today we are going to promote the car is the all-new BMW 3 Series 320i Sport. For the exterior, they have two metal. First is metallic, which is black, gray, orange, blue, and another metal is not metallic, which is white color. And we personally think that the black color is more suited to all of you because it looks professional. Now I'm going to pass stage to Renee.
Thank you, Hui Yun. So now I'm going to be introducing to you the interior of the car. First, the BMW 3 Series uses the aluminium mesh effect. As you can see from the picture, the small squares represent the mesh effect, and it gives the car an overall more luxurious look, which I think is definitely more suited for all of you. Next, the seating fabrics is available in the color Vernesca Black, and this material ensures that you'll have a comfortable ride home after a long day of work. This is the seating fabrics. And the car has a feature called the driver memory. So as all of you guys know, I'm sure that you have your preferred seating position when you are driving, and you may have to always adjust your car to that position. It could be quite a hassle sometimes, right? So the BMW 3 Series helps you save all of that hassle, as this feature allows you to lock in your preferred positions, and it is more convenient for you. And the car also comes with a sports leather steering wheel, which adds to the easier and better handling of the car. The leather finishing gives the car an overall more luxurious look too. And the last interior of the car is the BMW Intelligent Emergency Call. When any accidents happen, the system would automatically contact the nearest BMW call center. So this is very convenient for the person behind the wheel, as you're always one call away from getting a solution. Now I'm going to be introducing to you the features of the car. So first, the car contains the BMW iDrive infotainment system, which consists of the iDrive controller. As you can see from the picture, this is the iDrive controller, which allows you to control the navigation, audio, and communication system all from the driver's seat itself. So you do not have to make any big movements which would cause any unnecessary accidents. And also, they have this feature called the voice control, which allows you to access all of the functions of the car just by speaking with the car itself. For example, you could say, "Hey BMW, I'm feeling tired," and it will automatically change the ambient lighting, the music, and the temperature of the car to help the driver stay more alert. Isn't this easy, as you are able to master all the functions of the car easily, and it is very user-friendly. And the car also has a feature called the reversing assistant. If you're not an experienced driver, this would certainly come in handy for you, and it would be more convenient. Now I'm going to be introducing to you the further features of the car. The BMW 3 Series comes with the power steering, which makes the journey more smooth and comfortable. And also, it comes with an anti-lock braking system, which could prevent accidents from happening, and it also gives you a peace of mind that you're in a safe car. And also, the car comes with alloy wheels. Alloy wheels has performance advantages over normal steel wheels, as it is lighter, and this allows quicker acceleration and faster stopping. And also the car comes with factory fitted heat protection and sun protection glazing. As all of you know, our country could be very hot sometimes, so this could ensure the journey to your destination to be more comfortable. Now I'm going to be letting my colleague to introduce you what our model has to offer.
Thank you, Renee. Now I'm going to introduce that why you should choose us. Because all of our features are user-friendly and efficient, which you can master the functions of the car easily, and there will be no difficulties while using the car at all. Besides that, the spacious interior is also offered in our B.M.W 3 Series, so that when you're going on for a long journey and you won't feel uncomfortable and can enjoy the journey. Our B.M.W 3 Series is not just comes with a luxurious exterior, but also a sporty exterior. The excellent steering ability will ensure you a safe and smooth driving experience. Actually, our B.M.W 3 Series is very value of money compared to other continental car in the market, because it is not just comes with the high performance, but also giving you a one and only driving experience, so that you will be able to witness this special experience while you are in control and behind the wheel. Now I'm going to introduce our after-sales service. Our scheduled service will be either free 5 years or 100 km, which based on the combined braking system. We will be providing a pickup service, which means that you just need to make an appointment at our service center, and our worker will pick up the car from you, so that it will not affect your work and save your time. We will have service vehicle check, which is the service. The service will be free, and the service will be free, and when you have any problem of your vehicle, we will not charge any further cost to you. Lastly, we'll be talking about our special package for you, which from the original price around 2.5 million ringgit Malaysia, we'll be offering an extra 2 years of the scheduled service, which is 7 years. And we'll be using a premium brand of the Toyo tires without any extra cost charged to the price. And lastly, we'll be offering a 5% corporate discount to the price. So the final price will be 2.3 million, which means that you have saved an amount of 120,000 ringgit Malaysia. So choose B.M.W because it is not just getting you the destination, but also giving you a peace of mind of driving a safe car. Thank you.